Welcome back to my channel. My name is MaryLanae, and if you didn't guess by the title of this video, today's video is going to be me unboxing my brand new Singer Easy Simple Sewing Machine. I need water. I actually just got this sewing machine today, and today is May 18th. And not only is this a special day because I got my sewing machine, but it's a very special day because I actually got my cap and gown today. So it was like package on package today, so I'm very, very happy. So today we're going to be unboxing this, looking at it, seeing what makes it tick, what makes it work, and hopefully soon I'll be having videos for you guys talking about yeah, like the new projects that I want to start and new things that I'm going to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment and subscribe, and let's get into it. This is actually the third, I believe, sewing machine that I've ever owned or possessed. The first one that I ever got was a very mini sewing machine, you know, those like kid ones that you get, and I didn't take the time to read the directions or look up how to use it on YouTube, so I never actually sewed with it. It just stayed in the corner of my room for the longest time. And then the second one I got was one that was handed down to me by my aunt, who used to sew back in the day, so she gave me that one, but unfortunately it stopped working correctly, so she graciously bought me this early birthday gift of a brand new sewing machine, which I'm so grateful for, and hopefully I can create a lot of cool things with it, a lot of cool things for her too. So yeah, I think that's about it. We're going to start ripping this bad boy open and looking inside. Okay, so I got my scissors here. Oh wait, I think I can put my chair higher. Duh. Okay, so I have my scissors here, and we're about to cut this open. And now we should start unboxing. Whoa. Oh. Okay, here she is. Oh my god. She smells new. There's a hair in here. So in the box came with a sewing DVD, which I probably should watch. I think this is the bag they used to cover it. Am I right? Am I right? I'm right. And this is to help it to prevent dust and from things getting on it when it's in storage. So we have that, and we have our handy dandy directions. Need directions. I don't care what anybody says, I always read the directions. I can't do anything without directions. So I'm gonna change the view of this real quick, okay? Okay, so now that we've got a better view, we can go through the directions for this sewing machine. I'm just gonna move it over to the side for a bit. So here's the directions for this sewing machine. I believe this one is the 32, this is the 3221 sewing machine. So we're just gonna go through the manual real quick, but not too quick. So there's about 54 pages of this, and the other parts are just about the instructions in a different language. So let's go through this according to the directions. first thing is a thread tension dial, which is right about here. Right here is a thread take-up lever. This is the presser foot. No, this is the... We'll get to this in a second. Under here is the needle plate, which is covered by this. You can see it here. This is the removable accessory storage. This is the reverse sewing lever, bobbin stopper. Oh, then we have the stitch length dial. Then we have the pattern selector dial, the one-step buttonhole lever, and then the automatic threader. Right here that's sticking up is a horizontal spool pin. Anyway, this is the bobbin winding spindle. Back here is the hand wheel. Then we have the power and the light switch, which is here. Oh, the presser foot lifter here. And that's all the features on the sewing machine. Okay, so right now we're going to plug this bad girl in. Oh wow, it's so like new. Now the light comes on. We're going to test this. And it's going. So we're going to go through all of these pieces which were inside of our accessory box. So the first thing that we have is the all-purpose foot, which is already on our sewing machine. Then we have, I'm guessing, the zipper foot, which is this bad boy right here. And then we have the buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, which you're gonna put right there. Then we have our seam ripper / brush. Then we have our edge / quilting guide. Then we have our pack of needles, our spool holder, and then we have our 3 bobbins, L screwdriver, and this is what we would use when you need to take out the plate that's underneath of the needle and the presser foot. The darning plate, like I said, I'm pretty new at this, so I'm not really sure what this is for, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure out later. And at the bottom, it also tells you about all the additional accessories that you can buy. Well, that's basically it for today's video. I'm just really happy that I have a new sewing machine. I'm so excited to start my upscaling business and refashioning business. So if you guys want to see more videos with my sewing machine, make sure you subscribe, because there's going to be a whole bunch of content of me creating things, figuring out this sewing machine, everything like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.